It's actually hard to remember a time when I wasn't affected by sound. Music especially, really from birth, I always kind of remember tapping my feet and just responding to rhythm and sound. Even something like a seashell, going to the ocean as a kid and picking up a seashell and being so taken by the different sounds. We've been in business here on the Big Island for 10 years. And in that time, we've been really fortunate to work at a lot of venues like the Sheraton. We've worked pretty much all around the island, and after a couple of years in business, we really realized there was a niche to work at the resorts. We view ourselves as very much an Ohana family business. At the same time, we always kind of shoot for the sky and have, the idea of taking on big productions. We never forget our roots and that we're grounded in our own Ohana, my wife, my kids, but also the amazing people that work for us and their families. It's really all about supporting them and this community that we live in. It always comes back to that for us. We actually have quite a team of wonderful staff. We have technicians and we also have our entertainers for our performance part of the company. So our core group is basically our office staff. We have operational people, salespeople, and they're pretty much the backbone of keeping the company running week to week.
My name is Kay Haulani, and I'm a DJ and a musician and singer for Hawaii Sound and Vision. 1, 2, 3. I love working for Glenn because he's really one of the nicest bosses I've ever had, and he's a good person. So he's very understanding and he makes everything feel like family.
We offer a lot of different services, audio-visual, which is everything from traditional audio-visual. People think of projectors and screens and speakers and microphones. Walczuk. And we also do a lot of custom work, market lighting, which would be something for an outdoor event by the beach. We do wedding ceremonies, we do sound systems for bands. The beautiful thing of being in Hawaii is you get to perform at all these wonderful outdoor venues and all these unique type of services that you wouldn't really experience on the mainland. The main thing that separates us from corporate audiovisual is that our focus is 100% based around the client customer service and giving them a good experience. And what's neat about that is it reflects well on our company, but it also reflects really well at the resorts that we represent. Well, interesting enough, like a lot of people, this career wasn't my intended career. And some of the best careers, I think, are ones that aren't intended. It caught fire and here we are all these years later, and it's still, you know, my bread and butter, it's still my passion, and it's obviously why we started the company. It's such a treat for me. It's not work.